G'day guys, in this quick video we'll be cleaning my K&N filter in 4 quick steps. Clean, rinse, dry and then re-oil. It's that simple. So let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is get the cleaner and then give it a good spray, nice and generous spray. Spray the back, spray it all over, give it as much spray as you want, let it really soak in. Keep on going, give it a real good spray. You want the cleaner to sit there for about 5 minutes just to let it do its job and break down all the dirt and grime that's in it. You want to rinse it out with the tap or the hose in my case. You want to rinse it out the reverse way of the airflow so you get all the gunk and stuff out. Just keep on rinsing it out. And when I'm done rinsing it out, I'll just put it out here in the sun for about an hour or so, just to let it dry out nice. Here's the filter, all nice and clean and dry, looking good. Now it's time to give it an oil. So using the K&N aerosol oil spray can. So you want to hold the spray can just a bit over the top and give it a nice generous coat, front and back. Don't miss any of the layer. Now you just want to grab a cloth or something just to wipe off the excess oil. And you're done. It's all good to go.